how you will do trial balance. In the class 11 finals, usually question comes from every chapter. How you will do trial balance? What's the format? It looks like journal. So journal format you prepare. How to do this? Whatever the item you will get, you just have to understand this is asset, expense, income, or liability. If it is asset and expense, this will be debit, and income liability credit. तो एक एक आइटम चेक करो, ये एसेट है, एक्सपेंस है, इनकम और लाइबिलिटी. अगर ये एसेट एक्सपेंस होगा तो डेबिट में डालो, इनकम लाइबिलिटी होगा तो क्रेडिट में डालो. सिंपल. अब एक एक करके करते जाओ. नंबर 1 फर्स्ट आइटम क्या है? कैपिटल. सबसे पहले देखो यहाँ पे नाम है मेजर्स फोनिक्स एंटरप्राइजेस. सो एट द टॉप ऑफ द फॉर्मेट you just write in the books of वो नाम लिख दो. एज ऑन के बाद यहाँ पे एक डेट है देखो 31st December 25. डन. नाउ सीरियल नंबर 1 कैपिटल. अकाउंटेंसी कंप्लीट करना बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है, तो इसीलिए थोड़ा फास्ट करना है जब आप लोग रिविजन क्लासेस कर रहे हो. कैपिटल. What is this? 1 lakh. So you have to understand this is asset, expense, income or liability. Capital is a liability. Capital is a liability. Capital is a liability. Capital is a liability. So liability nature is credit. Come on, perform everyone. Capital is credit. So write here 1 lakh. Done. Number 2. What is there? Opening stock. Opening stock is an asset. Opening stock is an asset. And what is the rules? Asset expense debit. Yes. So as it is asset, write in debit side. Credit side, you just can use hyphen, small hyphen. Done. Number 3. Machinery. Very good. Write fast. Machinery asset. So which side you will write? Very good. Great. Done. Next. Sundry debtors. Debtors is an asset. Amount is 40,000. Next. Wages 15,000. Again and again revise the rules. Asset, expense, debit. Cash in hand. Very good. Cash in hand. Rent received. I missed. Okay. Yes. Rent received. 4,000. Next, cash in hand. Cash in hand. Asset 8,000. Next, insurance 3,000. Insurance is an expense. ओके ये कौन सा पेपर रिवाइज कर रहे हो आज? मैम नारायणा स्कूल से दिया है जो प्रैक्टिस पेपर, वो वाला आज हम लोग कर रहे. प्रैक्टिस पेपर 1 2 प्रैक्टिस पेपर मिला है, तो आप लोग प्रैक्टिस पेपर 1 का क्वेश्चन नंबर till 27 we completed last day, rather 28 also, right? You have done 27 no? 27 was cash book. Okay, we will practice. You do after that sales purchase. Sales number 9. Sales is an income. Asset, expense, debit, income, liability. So sell amount which side I will write? Right here 1,50,000. I hope you have also done. Then 10 number purchase 90,000. Purchase 90,000. Purchase is an expense. Purchase is an expense. Next, purchase return. Purchase return is an return is an asset, expense, income or liability. Purchase return, it's like a gain. Purchase is expense, but when it returns, due amount reduced. That's why we treat it as an income. It's like gain. Okay. Purchase return, credit in nature. Right here, purchase return. Amount is purchase return 2000. Done. Next, sundry creditors. Creditors is a liability. Creditors is a liability. Right fast. Sundry creditors. Amount is 25,000. Discount allowed. Discount allowed. Debit. It is loss. Discount allowed. One 1500. Next, bank overdraft. Bank overdraft is a liability. Amount 5500. Done. Next, drawings. Drawings is reduction in capital. So capital is credit nature. Drawings will come to the debit side. So drawings 6000. This is the last one. Drawings 6000. Now calculate the total of debit side and credit side. Usually it match. You check it's matching or not. How much it's coming?
2,43,500 and credit side is 2,86,500.
Okay, if trial balance not matched, placing the difference in a suspense account.
43,000.
So which I'm writing here. Look everyone. Summation debit is coming how much over?
2,43,500
2,43,500 and summation credit
2,86,500.
2,86,500. Okay, so whichever is higher, whichever is higher, right? Both the side 286,500, 286,500, 286,500. Got it? And then you check suspense. I'm changing ink, then you will understand better. Suspense. This is the difference. How much is coming?
43,000.
You can see that debit side is lower. So 43,000 you have to write in debit side. Done everyone? Okay. Do the next question. What is after that? The trial balance of a trader failed to agree and the difference is 1250 was put into a suspense account. Subsequently, the following errors were discovered. Past necessary rectify. It's just like rectification. It is rectification of errors. Okay. Then what are you doing? Calculating. CBSE. You can't use calculator. You learn the techniques how to solve it without calculator. You must learn it. So read the question. Number 1. Credit purchase of goods from Rohan 2500 was entered in the sales book. How you will solve it? Read in journal entry. Your rectification entry. A credit purchase of goods from Rohan was entered in the sales book. Okay. So for rectification of errors, we make 4 columns, one chart, right? So make the 4 columns chart and solve it. Question number 30. Read the transaction. A credit purchase of goods from Rohan 2500 was entered in sales book. What is the correct entry? Purchase of goods from Rohan. What will be the correct entry? Very good. Write in the correct column. Correct entry. Purchases account debit to Rohan. You are doing other chapters. No? Don't speak much. Speak only. যদি ওখানে একটা লাইট বসে তবে এটা মনে হয় না আপলোড করা যাবে বিকজ এই দিকটা পুরো শ্যাডো হয়ে গেছে লেটস সি যদি ফিল্টার দিয়ে হয় আই ডোন্ট থিংক সো ইট উইল বি পসিবল ওকে দেন সি কমপ্লিট ইট পারচেজ 2500 2500 এটা কো রেক্টিফিকেশনটা আচ্ছা they have entered in the sales book. So what the journal entry they have passed? Interest account debit to sales. So goods sold, goods purchased from Rohan, but they have entered in the sales book. So what they have done? Rohan to sales. Right here. Rohan account debit to sales. 2500. Now reverse this. Sales account debit to Rohan. 2500, 2500. What is the final entry? Number 1, number 2, number 3, number
Purchases
4.
account debit, sales account debit to Rohan account.
Okay. So now you just add second and third column. What's the rules of addition? Same side, opposite side, same side, opposite side, minus. So purchase is in the debit side. Is there purchase? No. So just copy this purchase account in the final entry column. Purchase account debit. Here is Rohan. Is there Rohan? In the third column, is there Rohan? Is the same side or opposite side? This is credit side, this is also credit side. And what's the rule? Same side? So it will come in the credit side to Rohan. Amount will be 5,000. Is there any confusion? Here is sales. Which side? Is there sales? No. So just copy sales. So what is the final entry? Purchase account debit, sales account debit to Rohan. How to do rectification of errors? Is it clear? मैम जो भी क्वेश्चन में है पहले ट्रांजैक्शन पढ़ के करेक्ट एंट्री में करेक्ट डाल दो वो लोग किया क्या है उसको रॉन्ग एंट्री में डालो फिर इसको उल्टा करके इधर लिखो रिवर्स ऑफ रॉन्ग एंट्री फिर सेकेंड एंड थर्ड कॉलम को ऐड करके फाइनल एंट्री दिस वे इफ यू विल लर्न एनी डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन यू कैन सॉल्व एनी फ्रॉम एनीवेयर So when you will prepare the solve for this rectification, you will make a journal entries format and you will copy the journal entry what you have written in the final entry column. So here is purchase, sales to Rohan. This is the answer basically. So in rectification entries, we will write here purchase account debit, sales account debit, 2500 to Rohan. Done everyone? Any confusion? Okay. Do the next one. 1,000. Are you ready? 1,000 paid for the installation of a new machine. Whenever installation of a new machine, which account should come in your mind? Machine. Cash is going out, you can use cash or bank. So machine account debit to bank. I have told you to use bank account if it is related to asset. So machine account debit to bank account. Debited to the repairs. What the mistake they have done? Repairs account. So paid for installation of machinery. Correct entry
Machinery account bank.
right here. In the working note, everyone write correct entry in the second column. Correct entry. Machine account debit to bank. Okay. क्या बोलना है बोलो. नहीं नोट कॉपी में नहीं. Machine account debit to bank account. This is a correct entry. But what they have done, check the question. They have debited to repairs. So right here,
Repairs to bank.
repairs account debit. I taught you that cash or bank always correct unless mentioned in the question. Amount is 1000. When you know the first and second column, you can easily do third and fourth. Look, what do you want to say? Tell me. I want to listen it. थर्ड नंबर कॉलम में हम लोग फर्स्ट कॉलम में जो भी लिखे इसको क्या करेंगे, उल्टा करके लिखना है, रिवर्स. सो राइट हियर बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू रिपेयर्स अकाउंट 1000. Now what's the rules? Add. What is the rule? Second column. Add third column. And what's the rule of addition? Machine is in which side? Debit. Is there machine? No. So you will just copy it. Here it is bank. Which side is bank? Where it is? Credit side. In this column, where it is? Debit side. Same side or opposite? Opposite. So you just cancel it. Because 1000 minus 1000 will be? So the rules is same side plus opposite side minus. Now come to repairs. Is there repairs? No. Is there repairs? No. So just copy. To repairs. After doing this, write the final entry, journal entry in the final solve. Narration mask. In short, you will write narration in exam. Was the final entry you have written machinery to repairs. Shortcut is definitely there, but when you will be champion, then only you will use shortcut. Machinery account debit to repairs. What was the amount?
1000.
Done, everyone? To the next question. A total of the purchase return book was under cost. Purchase return. Purchase return is an asset or liability or expense income. What? Purchase return, just now I told you. Income. Purchase debit, and what's the nature of purchase return? Credit side. Purchase return nature is credit. It is undercast. Undercast means कमा है. आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? बढ़ाना है. You have to increase it. What is the rules of accountancy? What's the modern rules? If increase,
Same side, if decrease, opposite side.
if increase same side, if decrease opposite side. तो देखो परचेस रिटर्न का नेचर क्या है? अंडरकास्ट है, मतलब कम हो गया. आपको क्या करना है? बढ़ाना है, मतलब इंक्रीज करना है. रूल क्या है? सेम इंक्रीज सेम साइड, डिक्रीज ऑपोजिट साइड. तो इंक्रीज करना है मतलब क्या? सेम साइड. तो कौन सा साइड में लिखना है? परचेस रिटर्न को क्रेडिट साइड. रेक्टिफिकेशन ऑफ एरर्स करते वक्त एक साइड तो आ गया तुम्हारा परचेस रिटर्न, बट इसमें मिस्टेक कहाँ पे था? सिर्फ परचेस रिटर्न में मिस्टेक था. अनदर साइड इज एम्प्टी. So when another side is empty, you will use suspense account. So the final entry will be suspense account debit to purchase return account. Understood? जब एक ही अकाउंट में मिस्टेक है तो वो लंबा वाला वर्किंग नोट पे करने का जरूरत नहीं है. डायरेक्ट फाइनल एंट्री का जो सॉल्व आप लोग ड्रॉ किए थे, इस सॉल्व में फाइनल जर्नल एंट्री लिखो. परचेस रिटर्न अंडर ट्रस्ट. तो परचेस रिटर्न क्रेडिट नेचर है, अंडर कास्ट है, आपको बढ़ाना है तो सेम साइड डालना है। तो क्रेडिट साइड में कौन आएगा? परचेस रिटर्न। डेबिट साइड में कौन आएगा? सस्पेंस अकाउंट डेबिट। Suspense to purchase return. What was the amount? 500. Right here. 500. 500. Done? Now, 4 number. Do this question number 4. A credit sale of rupees 800 to Megha. Again, same transaction, 3 times repeating today. What is the correct entry? Mega account debit to sales. Write in the correct entry column. 4 columns you have made as workings. So write here. Mega account debit to sales. What is the amount? 800. So write here 800. 800. Done? Now check what they have done. Was correctly entered in the sales book, but was posted to hard account. तो sales में mistake नहीं है, amount में किस में mistake है? वो भी hard, मतलब मेगा में amount में गलती है, पूरा जर्नल में mistake नहीं है, mistake सिर्फ मेगा अकाउंट में है। तो read the question properly. A credit sale to Mega was correctly entered in the sales book. Sales book में एकदम सही से रिकॉर्ड हो गया, बट जब पोस्टिंग हो रहा था, लेजर पोस्टिंग टू मेगा अकाउंट, तो उसमें क्या करते हैं वो लोग 80 लिख दिया है। So what they have done, record it in the wrong entry column. What they have done, मेगा में क्या लिखा वो लोग? मेगा अकाउंट डेबिट कितना लिखा? 80 टू सेल्स बोल दिया है, सेल्स बुक में कोई मिस्टेक नहीं था, तो रिमेनिंग क्या हो जाएगा? सस्पेंस। 800 माइनस 80। बोलो बच्चों इसको माइनस क्यों किया?
बैलेंस करने के लिए।
बैलेंस करने के लिए बचपन से सीखे हम लोग, ऑलवेज जर्नल करते वक्त डेबिट इक्वल्स टू क्रेडिट। क्रेडिट में 800 है, डेबिट में 80, तो डेफिशिएंसी कहाँ पे है? डेबिट साइड। सो राइट हियर 720. Done.
सस्पेंस क्या बोलो?
डेबिट में मेगा है 80, क्रेडिट में यहाँ पे 800। जो बैलेंस आ रहा है, कुछ तो अकाउंट लिखने का जगह नहीं है, तो जब हम लोग रेक्टिफिकेशन करते हैं आफ्टर प्रिपरेशन ऑफ ट्रायल बैलेंस, वी ऑलवेज यूज सस्पेंस अकाउंट। ओके, तो वैसे ही बात है कि कुछ और लिखने का जगह नहीं है तो सस्पेंस यूज करो। Now reverse it. Sales account debit 800 to Mega 80 to suspense 720. वेरी गुड मैम, सेल्स यहाँ पे क्रेडिट में है, वहाँ पे डेबिट, दोनों तो कैंसिल हो जाएगा, करो कैंसिल। मेगा यहाँ पे डेबिट है 800, यहाँ पे क्रेडिट है, सेम अकाउंट सेम साइड रहेगा तो प्लस, ऑपोजिट साइड रहेगा तो माइनस।
लेकिन डेबिट में अगर डेबिट में ज्यादा अमाउंट है।
वेरी गुड मैम, डेबिट में 800 और इसमें 80, तो माइनस करो, 800 से 80 चला जाएगा, बट बैलेंस बच रहे कौन सा साइड? डेबिट साइड। सो व्हाट विल बी द फाइनल एंट्री? राइट, मेगा अकाउंट डेबिट 720 to suspense account 70. Done? Write in the final format, mega account debit to 720. You need to prepare suspense account and balance it. Okay, just 2 minutes more. You just prepare suspense account and then we will complete today's class. Its recording is going on. Okay, complete this ledger, suspense account. यू नो सस्पेंस अकाउंट जब भी बनाने देते हैं बच्चे थोड़ा डरते हैं, बट ये बहुत ही सिंपल है। जर्नल से सिर्फ लेजर पोस्टिंग सिखाऊंगी और कुछ नहीं। देख लो बच्चों, बस अपने हाथ से टी बना दे, हो गया सस्पेंस अकाउंट। আর দেব বাড়িতে খাতাপত্র একদম খুলবি না ভুলো, একদম জিরো নিয়ে আয়, বুঝেছিস? मेक योर स्टैंडर्ड, कोई तो होगा क्लास में जो जीरो ला सकता है। चलो बच्चों रेडी? अच्छा, I like to prepare it in a different paper, different page. I can show you better. You try to do it if you can.
Ma'am, done.
Done the ledger account also? Very good. What's the balance you have used?
To balance baby,
How much?
220.
No.
No?
Read the question.
Ma'am, it's 1250.
It's already given. Okay?
The Excel.
Okay. देखो, ये sums जब हम लोग कर रहे हैं, क्वेश्चन में ऑलरेडी सस्पेंस अकाउंट का एक बैलेंस दिया है। देखो, the trial balance of a trader failed to agree on the difference of 1250. This is excess debit was put into a suspense account. तो ये क्या होगा? सस्पेंस अकाउंट का ऑलरेडी एक तो बैलेंस है, ये डेबिट बैलेंस या क्रेडिट बैलेंस?
Debit.
What is written here?
Debit.
Excess debit. So balance will come in the debit side. Prepare this ledger account. To balance B. 1250. You can see where from I am taking this amount. 1250. This is done. So first you will write the balance. After that, what will you do? When whatever the journal entry I have passed, just check their suspense in which side. If debit, then write debit side. If credit, then credit side. Look at here. In the final entries, first final entry. Look here. First entry was purchase account debit, sales account debit to Rohan. Is there suspense? No. So it will not post to the suspense. Is there suspense? No. Third number journal entry. Is there suspense? Which side? तो आपका हाथ भी कौन सा साइड चलेगा? डेबिट साइड। तो चलो डेबिट साइड में चलते हैं हम लोग। सस्पेंस डेबिट साइड। लिखना क्या है? देखो बच्चों, यहाँ पे जो जो है देख देख के लिख देना। क्या है बोलो? परचेज रिटर्न। सो लिखो यहाँ पे टू परचेज रिटर्न। अमाउंट कितना है चेक करो? 500। अमाउंट देखो यहाँ पे, ये जर्नल से पोस्टिंग करना है, ठीक है? 500। नेक्स्ट, मेगा टू सस्पेंस। सस्पेंस इन विच साइड?
Credit side.
क्रेडिट साइड। तो आपका हाथ भी कहाँ जाएगा? क्रेडिट साइड। सो राइट हियर बाय मेगा।
720.
Done? Is there any more journal entry? No. So now close it. What's the rules of closing one ledger account? It's little difficult for students. I don't know why I can't do it properly. So learn the technique. What's the procedure? Summation debit, summation credit, whichever is higher, write in this box. So this side is coming 1750 and this side 720. Debit ज़्यादा है, जो ज़्यादा है वो दोनों बॉक्स में लिखो 1750। इससे 720 माइनस करो 0301। इसको हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे? बैलेंस बाय बैलेंस सीडी। सीडी करने के बाद यही क्या हो जाएगा? बीडी। नो नीड टू राइट बीडी 1030। डन।